This is a north wing elevator at the Western Pennsylvania Hospital in Bloomfield, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Take a look at this. As long as it's not modded on the inside, I think I just found a black button Otis. But the doors are loud. Otis. Yes, it's original. Basement. Here it lights up and here it goes down. I just randomly stumbled upon this elevator when I was going to a different part of the hospital. Here at the basement. 3 doors. Go up to 5. I think that may be locked. I'll try it anyway. Here we go. Oh, you know what? No. The floor above 5 is what's locked. 5 is locked. 4, 3, 3. You're at 3. Bouncy. Go back down to 1. Case 5 these elevators, ADA front and a non-ADA height. It's a hospital sized cab. I did not know about this elevator before. Are you going down? Yeah. I think everything above 3 is locked. You're back up 1. That's epic. I didn't even know about that. Close this and that's going to be it.